Hi friends, today we're going to show you how to make a binary bracelet or necklace that spells out a word. First, let's take a look at what's in our kit. Red beads, white beads, string, and a binary code chart. You'll also need a pencil or pen. Binary is very important to the computer world. Computers transport, calculate, store, and translate all sorts of information in binary, which is basically ones and zeros. Step 1. Here is a binary code chart. You can find this on page 8 of your Codebreaker workbook. Try to write your name or a short word in binary form. I'm going to write hello. Step 2. Decide which color bead represents 1 and 0 for your binary bracelet or necklace. For me, I'm going to make 1 equal red and 0 equal white. Step 3. Get your bracelet string and tie 2 knots at the end so that your beads don't fall out when you string them through. Step 4. Thread the beads onto your string for your first binary letter. Mine is H. The first bead that I'm going to thread through is white. The numbers are 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. After you finish your first binary letter, tie a knot at the end. Step 5. Now continue these steps and do the next letter. Continue this until you've spelled out your name or word. Step 6. After you finish threading your beads, it's time to tie the final knot. If you find that your string of beads is too long for a bracelet, you can turn it into a necklace. Tie 2 knots at the end to finish it off. And now you have it, your binary bracelet or necklace. Good job! Don't forget to share your creations with us by tagging us at Little Robot Friends on social.